Alright, so hi guys, this video right now I'm going to show you my new FM transmitter. This is an ELE EL-15S transmitter. Supposedly this transmitter is the one that uses the best chip according to Spectraman's video, the QN8007 chip. But hopefully we're going to test that one and see if it's actually the QN8007 chip inside of it. This is an unboxing video of it, by the way. Here's the transmitter itself. Here is lots of bubble wraps here, and here's the audio cable here from your audio source to the transmitter. Also has another bubble wrap here, and here is the transmitter itself. It's really tiny, it's just like a palm of my hand. And here is the power cord that came with it. A small AC DC power cord here, pretty nice. There we go. Oh, is this really a Huawei charger? I mean, yeah, it's a Huawei charger here. 100, is it correct? 170 to 140 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 0.5 amps. Okay. I'm kind of skeptical on this one. I don't know if this is really a Huawei charger or not. I don't know, but yeah, we're going to also test this as well. Might also purchase a power cord in case this has lots of RF interference. And here is the transmitter itself, which I'm going to unpack using one hand. If I can unpack it with one hand. Yeah, I'm going to pause this video first. I just basically destroyed the bubble wrap here. Here is like the back of the transmitter, FCC logo here. I don't know if this is FCC certified. Fan and the PC control. It's a 1.5 watt version. I purchased the 1.5 watt version only. I don't need higher power wattage in this one. Here is, I'm just going to go and unwrap this more if I can. Okay, so I just unwrapped it more. And here is the transmitter itself, the ELE El-15S. Really nice transmitter. Microphone port and the line in port here, the volume and the controls for the menu, up and down, and the MP3. Here's my new transmitter. Here's the side, the top. It's like an aluminum finish or metal chassis finish. Here is the back with the rubber feet, and once again the back of it. Fan, PC control, USB connection, and antenna. There we go. What? Oh, okay. I also forgot. This one also has the remote control. I don't know why they include a remote control on the transmitter, but yeah, it's really funny. Either way, I think this may be useful in configuring a transmitter, but yeah, can't see why they include a remote. Special for MP3. I think this is for MP3. Anyway, and the antenna for the transmitter, which is included as well. Going to use that as well. And yeah, so I'm excited. No more. And also, this is the description of the wireless FM transmitter. It has an FCC ID. Interesting. Here's the operation manual for the transmitter. Okay. So here is the specifications of the transmitter. You can pause it if you want to read it. Basically, frequency response is 30 Hz to 15,000 Hz. The RF output, the antenna output is BNC. And ambient temperature, -40 to 70 Celsius. Okay. 1.5 watt version. The pre-emphasis is 50 microseconds, which is wrong in terms of our standard here, the NTC. FM broadcast here uses 75 microseconds of pre-emphasis, but that's fine. I'm just going to go and adjust it on my processor anyway. And the frequency range is from 88 to 108, and also supports 76 to 108. Frequency accuracy of positive to negative of 5 ppm. Okay. So yeah, I'm really excited for this transmitter here to operate. I'm going to test it, and hopefully it sounds good. Alright, so that's about it, guys. If you like the video, and if you have some comments or questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Like this video if you like it, dislike if you don't like it, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.